This product is a combination of vitamins and fluoride. It is used by children to treat or prevent deficiency due to poor diet or low levels of fluoride in drinking water and other sources. Vitamins are important building blocks of the body and help keep you in good health. Fluoride is used to prevent dental cavities. It is recommended to take this medication as directed by your doctor. Typically, the daily dosage is 1 tablet, and it is best to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. It is important to follow the dosage instructions carefully to get the most benefit from this medication. When taking this medication, be sure to thoroughly chew the tablet and swallow it, usually once daily at bedtime after brushing your teeth or as directed by your doctor. If your child is unable to safely chew and swallow the tablet, consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important to take this medication at least 2 hours before or after consuming any products containing calcium or aluminum/magnesium hydroxide, as these can decrease its effectiveness. This includes milk, yogurt, other dairy products, and certain antacids or laxatives. The fluoride in this chewable tablet can be absorbed directly into the teeth during and after chewing, as well as being absorbed into your body from your stomach. After taking the tablet, it's best to avoid eating, drinking, or rinsing your mouth for 30 minutes. For the most benefit, take this medication regularly at the same time each day. Do not exceed the prescribed dose. It is possible to experience stomach upset, constipation, or nausea when taking this multivitamin with fluoride tablet. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you notice that your teeth are becoming mottled or stained, it is important to inform your dentist or doctor, as this may be a result of excessive fluoride intake. Please remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many individuals who take this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While very rare, it is important to seek immediate medical help if you experience any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned, it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. For individuals in the U.S., you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking this multivitamin with fluoride, Metafolin, 1 mg chewable tablet, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. It's important to disclose your medical history and let your doctor know if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's essential to discuss any concerns with your pharmacist. If you have any questions, consult with your healthcare provider for more information. Now let's talk about how to use multivitamin with fluoride, Metafolin, 1 mg chewable tablet multivitamins. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions, as they could impact how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of this multivitamin with fluoride. As always, it's best to follow your doctor's recommendations for daily dosage and the optimal timing for taking this multivitamin with fluoride. They can provide more personalized guidance based on your individual needs and health status. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, get in touch with a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can contact a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others. It's also important to note that this product is not a replacement for a healthy diet, so be sure to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. If you're concerned about the fluoride content in your water, reach out to your local town or city officials for more information. If the fluoride content in the water supply is higher than 0.6 parts per million, you may not need to take fluoride supplements. However, if the fluoride content in your water changes, consult with your doctor or dentist to determine if extra fluoride is still necessary. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take extra tablets to make up for the missed one. It's important to store this medication at room temperature, away from heat and moisture. Avoid keeping it in the bathroom and make sure to store it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the medication when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.